Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $5.22 and $9.86 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $4.06 by 2025. Negative Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.928 Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing because of the rise of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked enthusiastically to foster an extraordinary digital money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into a far-reaching value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to flawlessly coordinate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial speculation decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been an unmistakable part of Nexo. The primary benefit buyers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady, unwavering quality, the Nexo cost expectation appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshers, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the digital money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as per all suitable cost forecast information. Nexo is right now worth $1.16 USD. Nexo has moved to 46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,850,470. Nexo is right now positioned 111 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $640,282,462 USD. Using the general strength list RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecast in view of current market action. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.74. Likewise, with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.62 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.39. Nexo Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.90. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.32 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.55. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.06 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.71 and a low of $3.48 in 2025. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Nexo effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.22, with a base cost of $4.64 and a typical cost of $4.87. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.03 by 2027, with a base cost of $5.80 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of $6.38. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $19. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $7.54. Neglecting to assemble the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6.96. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $8.12 and a yearly cost close above $0.70 in 2029. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Nexo will at last outperform its past ETH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $9.28 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $9.86, averaging out at $9.51. Nexo Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Nexo cost in 2031 is projected to be $11.37 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $10.91. And the cost of the Nexo currently doesn't foresee what it will cost tomorrow. How much, however, is reliant upon the variables that surface during the market's development and improvement stage. These components influence how a Nexo will foster from here on out. You could likewise investigate the subject as another option. Token holders could assist you with concluding whether you're a first-time buy in this market. It is trying to foresee a cash's definite worth ahead of time because of the unstable idea of the digital money market. A notable digital currency that has so far been effective is Nexo. Nexo speculations can be savvy moves, yet you ought to hold off on huge ventures until the market is in a down market. Keep up with attention to ongoing business